What is up? What is up? Um, yeah, just gonna be doing a recap over the trade that we took today. Two bangers today, 1 a.m., 1 p.m. Good news as well. I am officially funded with three accounts. Three accounts. That's crazy. That's crazy. Three accounts officially. This is my weekly P&L so far. I'm up to only $200 on one Express account. So yeah. Um, One thing I do want to say is that only reason I've been getting all these winning trades, nothing changed in my strategy. The only thing that changed was my mindset, because I used to, every time I got an eval, I was like, I need to pass it quick, 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 quick. So I would full port it and then fucking blow it right after, and then make some money, and then be like, get desperate, be like, shit, I need to make it now. But it is what it is, you know. That's what happens when you are not good with your mindset. Anyways, coming into market open, we London session, we had swept these lows on London session on pre-market. So then we came down here and then simply just waited for a move up, because we have relatively equal highs up here. All of these highs were targets for me, and then I can just do this. They were all targets for me, and then as well on the on ES, I think we had an SMT or something like that. Yeah. Anyway, I was bullish. I was bullish for today. One, because we came down into this 1 hour fair value gap in here. Here, let me move this out the way. We came down here into this 1 hour fair value gap. What was that at? 30 minute or was it 4 hour? One second, guys, because I'm trying to remember what I took, but I don't think it was a 30 minute, 4 hour. I don't remember what it was. Shit, it was a fair value gap. And then from there, we simply just waited for any confluences to go higher, because I was ready to go high. To go higher, we got an inverse in the 5 minute with this gap, which then I scaled down to the 1 minute. And then from there, we got to break a structure right here. Here, hold on. We got to break a structure here on the 1 minute, one confluence. And then we made a fair value gap, two confluences. And then we came down, tapped the fair value gap, and then rejected off the fair value gap, three confluences. So I went in. Put my stops below here, only risked around like 300. And then yeah, bought there. I had my take profit up here, but I decided to close here in case it reversed, and then just stop loss right about here. Kind of chopping around for the beginning of the trade, and then from there we just scaled all the way up. And I made money. We went break even here. I did take a trade on the other accounts, which I was trying to pass, and I didn't realize, because I'm telling you, I haven't been looking at the P&L. I haven't been looking at that. I've been looking at the actual market, just me and the charts, you know. And I didn't even look at that, so I risked $300, but I only needed $300 to pass. So I had to move my take profit here for my other accounts instead of all the way over here, because I was gonna make like $900 off of the other ones. But I forgot I was right there about to pass it. Yeah, full TP. Well, this TP on the 50K Express account that I've been trading. We made around $440 on that with the long, and then from there we passed the account. I was like, should I here, I'll show you guys. Not payouts, achievements, 3 funded accounts. That's crazy work. That's crazy work. Here it is. As you guys can see, this has to, oh, there it is. Has to update past all these. What's it called? Yeah. So we did that, and then we came into PM session, because I've been looking at PM session recently. It's been giving me really good setup so far, so that's really good. But I don't come into PM session wanting to trade. You know, I come in to see if there's anything good that the market will give me for me to trade. So that's exactly what we did today. We were extremely patient because if you guys trade PM session, you guys know that it takes forever to actually um, get somewhere. So PM session open. We had these highs. I was already bearish. I was already bearish to be honest. We had these highs that were taken, and then from there we just scaled down and waited for an opportunity. I waited for an SMT, which we did get one off of these highs up here with ES, which is marked out right here. Price came all the way up here on ES and then it didn't on NQ. So then I was like, okay, yeah, for sure we're coming down. And then we inverted this fair value gap. We had this really, 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 really tiny fair value gap right here. You can barely see it, but it's still fair value gap. It filled in. Next candle after that, we dumped. So what did I do? We got to change instead of delivery. I saw that. And then what did I do? I sold 10 contracts. I was trying to go low on this risk just because it is PM session and I had already won a trade. I didn't want to, lose all my profits. So we had that and then final TP down here. And then just watch that play out. It was chopping around for a while. Hit here, I went break even just in case, and then from there, dumped, and we made money. We made 700 across all accounts, all the new ones as well. So you can see 692, and then on the one that I've been trading this week, I'm up 2200, almost 2300. My daily loss limit will not go down anymore. So yeah, if I get to zero, then I lose. So yeah, that's pretty good to see. Technically, I can get a payout now with just 3 days, but I'm not gonna do that obviously because I have. Wait, did it take off copy trading? It did. Late accounts this. This account has a lower 2,000 and the leader account 550,000. What does this mean? This account has a lower to 20,000 max margin than the leader account 550k. I don't know what that means. Isn't it the same though? What does this mean? Okay, I don't know. That looks weird. But yeah, this is my account right here. So yeah, those are my trades. I did take a trade yesterday, which I forgot to show you guys, which is what made me go up for the day yesterday. When it was break even, I took a trade on PM session and I made this trade. It was pretty clean. So yeah, that's it. I don't really have anything else to say. Just keep grinding. It'll happen. You'll get there eventually. And it'll all work out, man. It'll work out. I have 3 winning days, and I just need 2 more to get a payout if I want a payout. So yeah, just keep grinding, guys. You'll get there eventually, just like how I did. So yeah, that's nice. I don't know what the profit target 3,000 is for, but anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow if I do take a trade.